All right, so we finished installing Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. The next thing to do, if you don't already have a wallet, is to install MetaMask. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're at metamask.io. We're just going to go to the download button here. And then we are going to install the browser extension. So let's go ahead and install MetaMask for Chrome and add to Chrome. We're going to add extension. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is run through the MetaMask tutorial. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll get started. We'll create a new wallet. We'll hit agree. All right, next we're going to create a new password. We'll agree to the terms and service and create. Now, it's going to create a secret backup phrase or a seed phrase. So we're going to click to review this. Now, one thing to note here, you would never, ever, ever share this seed phrase with anyone for any reason. Effectively, what this seed phrase is, it's a key to your wallet. So whoever has this seed phrase has control, ownership of your wallet. So make sure that you keep it safe. Make sure that one, no one sees it, and then two, that you remember where it is and that you have access to it. So that is the disclaimer here. So let's get back into this. So we are going to copy this. Okay, so we are going to confirm that we've gotten this written down. And there we go. We're all set up. So now we've got our MetaMask wallet. The next step here is to request at least 32 Goerli ETH. If you plan on setting up more than one validator, you'll need to request multiple instances of 32 Goerli. It is, again, a minimum of 32 ETH on the mainnet, so you'll need at least 32 Goerli for this validator workshop. The steps are in this next video, so let's go ahead and look at that.